Well, this is an update on my car. I got it kind of apart at the moment. Well, turns out this car was really only running on 7 cylinders. Turned out to be a bad fuel injector. So what I ended up doing was I pulled the intake off and I cleaned it up a little bit. And what I did was I took a screwdriver to each injector and I put my ear on and I listened for if there's any pulsation. This one didn't have any pulsation. It was not firing at all. So I moved it over and I put a good one there and it was firing, but this one wasn't firing, which was that one. So that tells me the injector was bad. So all I had to do was just get another one. Got it out of just a boneyard. Simple as that. Don't need to go crazy. And I'm replacing it. And it should be alright. It's definitely gonna run a lot better now after this. So, that's the trick flow. It's not too hard to do. If anyone's curious about how to get this off your car, if you have a 5.0 Mustang, I can make a video of how to. But until then, if anyone wants to know, you can inbox me. It's really not that hard. It's not that difficult. Just basic ratchets, tools. You'll need a 12-point socket, 8mm and a 10mm. That's really about it. So if anyone's ever interested in learning or wanting to learn how to take the intake off, I can do a video. Just let me know. So far that's it. I'm gonna put this all back together and hopefully it runs good. I'll keep an update.